Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing my daily cleaning routine. On this day I didn't have any actual laundry to do, so here I am just putting away our laundry from the day before. I usually do my daily cleaning routine while Colton is napping, so I'm just cleaning up some of the toys that he pulled apart in the morning and putting together this little mat that he has now learned how to rip apart. The day before I filmed this video, we had gone on a little day trip to the aquarium, so here I am just cleaning out our diaper bag of anything that doesn't need to be in there for just regular everyday use. We have a cat and a dog, so I do try to at least vacuum the living room every day because that's where Colton plays the most. So now I'm just putting the dishes away from the night before. Sometimes I do the dishes right in the morning, or sometimes I do them at night. So this time I had actually done them the night before. So I'm just going to be putting all these away before I do anything else. every other day I like to soak Colton's bottles in super hot water, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just filling up the sink with super hot water, as hot as I can get it, and I also use this Method dish detergent, and then I'm just going to put all the bottle parts into the sink and let them soak. Alright, and there you have it, everyone. That is my super quick daily cleaning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks!